Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorial how to join polylines. For example, I will create polylines with polyline command. I will create in here and next create the second polyline. So in here we have two polyline and the other object I will draw polyline with arch. Okay, you can type arch from this point to here. And now if you want to join these polylines, you can type a join, press enter, select the entities, polyline, and enter again. So it will be automatically join. You also can do same with this object. You can type a join, press enter, select all entities, and then enter again. Okay, that's it for basic NanoCAD tutorial, how to join polylines. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.